from the law firm of D. Oliveira and Associates. Head and/or brain injury cases. Over 400,000 Americans every year sustain head and/or a brain injury case. There's a lot of press out there today about athletes, and they're being extra careful with them today because if they go back to playing sports too soon after a head or a brain injury, they can have permanent damage. So if you've been in an accident, either a slip and fall or an auto case or some type of case like that, where it's due to the negligence of another party, you may have a head or brain injury case. These cases can be involved, and you need to be really careful if you think you may have a head or a brain injury, because the typical symptoms are not only headaches, but sometimes difficulty thinking, dizziness is common, memory loss, changes in mood and behavior. These are some common symptoms that people can have, and they can happen long after a person has a head injury. Often, head injuries can still be there even though tests are negative, such as CAT scans and MRIs. So it's important that you treat with a neurologist or somebody who's a specialist in head injury cases if you've sustained a head injury case. Feel free to call us toll-free if you or a loved one's been injured and has a head injury. Fill out a contact form online, as we'd be happy to discuss your case in confidence. We charge no fee until you obtain a settlement or a recovery, and we've handled a lot of these types of cases over the years. So feel free to call us. Thank you.